Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today topic is AWS application load balancer. So let's start. First of all, we have to create security group. So let's go to security group. I have already created a load balancer security group. You can see the inbound rules. Here I have used HTTP port 80, HTTPS and SSH type. After creating the security group, let's launch instance, name it as server 1. Then I am choosing here Amazon Linux t2.micro. Then I already have key pair. If you required, you can create new key pair. Then in network setting, edit it. I am choosing the default VPC. In subnet, I am choosing this US East 1A. Then I am selecting the existing security key pair. Here type load balancer. Here we have the option. Then in advanced detail, I am providing here bootstrap script and then launch instance. We can see here server 1 is running now. Let's launch the second instance. Name it as server 2, the same one, Amazon Linux. Choosing key pair, editing network setting. I am now using 1B security. I have chosen here load balancer security group. Then in advanced details, I am using the bootstrap script. In this script, the codes are cloning from GitHub. So let's go to GitHub, edit our code. Here I just edit it as 2. And then commit changes. Now let's back to our instance and launch instance. Our server 2 is in process. Let's create target group. I am choosing here instances. Our target are instance, providing target group name as application target group. Then make it default, advanced health check setting, health threshold. It's okay. We can make timeout also too, as according to our requirements. I am providing here 10 of interval. After that, click on next. Then I am selecting these two server 1 and server 2 instances, include as pending below. Then create target group. We can see here our target group is created but not associated. To associate target group, let's create load balancer. We are choosing here application load balancer, so create it. providing name, schema is internet facing, IP address type IPv4, default VPC, US East 1A, US East 1B. Then choosing the security group as load balancer security group. Then choosing our target group and create load balancer. View load balancer. We can see our DNS name, but the state is provisioning, so we have to wait until it gets state as active. So let's go to our EC2 instances. Here in server 1, copy the public IP address, pasting here. We can see in server 1 our codes are running perfectly. Let's go to server 2 and check this also. We can see here in server 1 we have viewing, in server 2 viewing 2. Let's check our load balancer. Still it is not active, so we have to wait for it. We can see now our load balancer is active. Let's copy the DNS name, paste in the browser. We can see that our load balancer is working. Let's check. This one is for server 1. Let's refresh it. We can see here the codes is changed and it also interacting with server 2. When we refresh it, we can see it's still server 2. Refresh it, it's now in server 1. It shows that our load balancer is working correctly. In this way we can create our own AWS application load balancer.